Artificial intelligence and machine learning have proven their worth in digital marketing. But will they steal the jobs of content writers? Me personally, I think that with the emergence of artificial intelligence phenomenon, right, that we could utilize this to be able to, for us to generate more income, us to generate more money. Because I'm telling you, man, with all the statistics and data pointing in the direction of using artificial intelligence, for writing descriptions, writing tweets, collecting data reports, writing blog posts, writing social media content, it's going to allow us as content creators to work more efficiently, effectively, and faster, right? It's all about how much information we could generate fast and quality. Now, I'm not saying artificial intelligence, although I believe it's in its infancy stage, although it's been around for a while, everything always developed through time, right? And I'm not saying that, we're using, artificial intelligence to write content is like the most desirable. But what I'm saying is that if that's already being created already, what do you think is going to happen in the future when it comes to artificial intelligence? Like, remember automation, right? You go to McDonald's, you don't even see people working in there. You go to machine, you go to the kiosk machine, you type in your order, and then boom, you get your food. So it's already replacing workers using automation. So what you think is going to happen with artificial intelligence? But, the point I'll argue, against several experts seeing content creation using AI as a threat to content writers, in reality, I think it could serve as a highly effective assistant to enhance their productivity, right? I think the good news for content writers is that they can create a framework and guidelines for their content requirements and utilize AI tools to complete their tasks and their quality work. So let's say a lot of you guys use Fiverr, a lot of you guys who write blogs for people to generate income, you may be able to use AI technology to help you write faster and more content, and you could be able to take on more projects, which ultimately earn you more money. Because let's face it, as humans, we can only write at a certain pace no matter how fast we are, right? What if you had an effective assistant who can fulfill the small content requirements for you? So in utilizing AI tools as a personalized assistant can help you, like I said, take on more clients. Artificial intelligence also has a distinct capacity to process data and use that data in a way that we can't as humans do. When it comes to content creation, artificial intelligence can provide valuable insights drawn from analyzing data from your customers. And it also can provide a clear idea about your target audience, your interests, and their preferences. This is how you could come up with fresh topics that will resonate with your target audience. So for us, who utilize social media, is artificial intelligence the new wave to be able to help us work more effectively and faster, and be able to generate more views, generate more viewership, so that way people are eyeing your goods, your services, and your products. What I'm talking about is how to utilize artificial intelligence to make more money. And I think the number one thing that artificial intelligence can do is that it can improve the performance of social media content. So you can improve your social media content using AI, but theoretically, how can that happen, right? The main goal of social media, let's just put this in perspective, right, is to build a brand presence and attract more traffic to desired landing pages or desired websites or desired product listings, right? So the more presence you have on social media and the more eyes you have on, all your content you putting out, the more traffic means that more people are looking at your goods and services, which could be potential customers and generate more money, right? So I think that this could be utilized to our advantage as it relates to artificial intelligence. So do me a favor, let me know what you guys think about using AI tools, artificial intelligence, and is that the new way for YouTubers, content creators, to be able to work more efficiently? Leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. In my next video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you some artificial intelligence tools like Jasper, Pictory, and a couple of other high-profile artificial intelligence tools. And I want to do a live demonstration of how we can utilize these tools and what you guys think. Let's get fit, let's gain wealth, let's improve our lifestyle. Do me a favor, like, comment, subscribe. and make sure that you hit that notification button to get future content.